Here I am going to talk about calculating mean of a frequency distribution using formula, TI calculator, and Excel. Now let's look at this example. We have shoe sizes and frequencies of students in a statistics class which are recorded in the table below, in this table. Now we have to find out what the average shoe size of these students is. Here we can find average shoe size using formula and also using a TI calculator and also using Excel. So first, let me show how to do it using formula. So we have a formula, mean equals sum of x times f, sum of x times f over sum of f. We can calculate sum of x times f by taking each x and multiplying it with corresponding f for frequency value, just like what I have done here. So here I am taking 6.5 times 2 plus, for this one I'm taking 7 times 3 plus, for this one I'm taking 8 and its corresponding frequency, which is 7. So again for here for this one I am doing 8.5 times its frequency, which is 6. Okay, and finally I have done same thing for this one too. For sum of f, we add all these numbers on this column. So on adding all these numbers, we get 20 on the denominator and 160 on the numerator, which is also equal to 8. Now let me show you how to find the average shoe size of these students using TI calculator. So let me pull up my calculator first. Now go to Stat, then hit Enter. Make sure your edit is highlighted. Okay, then hit Enter. Here we will have to enter this data. So for your list 1, you will be entering your X values. And for your list 2, we will be entering our frequencies. Let me enter the data on my list 1. So it's 6.5. Enter. 7. Enter. 8. Enter. 8.5. Enter. And 9.5. Enter. So now you have to, once you are done entering your X values, you'll have to enter your frequencies and your list 2. So in order to go on that column, use this arrow. Now you can enter your frequencies on the list 2. So that's 2, 3, 7, 6, and 2. So once you are done entering your data, so go to Stat and then use this arrow key so that you can select Calc. Okay. Now make sure your one variable stats is highlighted, then hit Enter. Okay. So on your list, it should be list 1. That's what it is on here. So now come down to frequency list using this arrow. Okay. On your frequency list, you'll have to type in list 2. Okay. So to type in list 2, I will do second and list 2. Okay. Now once we are done that, hit Enter. Okay. So this is the mean. This is the mean that we are looking for. So now let me pull up my Excel and let me show you how to get the mean or the average shoe size in Excel. So let me pull up my Excel up on the screen, and now let's label the columns. So I will just put X in there and F in here. Okay. So now let's enter the data. 6.5, 7, 8, 8.5, and 9.5. So now the frequencies over here, so 2, 3, 7, 6, 2. So once you are done entering data, so to calculate the mean, we have formula which is sum of x times f over sum of f. So on here I will label that column as x times f. So on this column we will be finding x times f. Okay. So for that, type equals, then go here and then select that, and then type your times or multiplication sign, then come here and then highlight that, then hit enter. So that will give you, so this formula up here will give you x times f. So now you don't have to type the same thing for the rest. All you can do is highlight this cell. So highlight this cell here. So whenever you see this plus sign, you can just pull it down. So that will copy the formula for the rest of the cell. Okay. So now once you are done with that, looking at the formula, we know we need sum of x times f, right? So for sum of x times f, for that we can type equals, then type sum, okay, put parentheses, go up here and highlight or select the column, okay, then close your parentheses, then hit enter. So that will give us sum of x times f. So again here we will need sum of frequency. So in order to get the sum of frequency, you can type equals, then type sum, then put your parentheses here, go up here and select or highlight that column, and then close your parentheses, then hit enter. So we have now sum of frequency, and also we have sum of x times frequency. Now in order to get the mean, all you need to do is divide sum of x times f, which is this, by sum of frequency, which is this. So in order to get that, we will type equals, then go down here and select that, then type your divide sign, then go over here and select that, then hit enter, or you can just hit tab 2. If you remember, this is the same number that we got. Let me move my Excel a little bit. So this is the same number that we got using our formula, using the TI calculator and also using the Excel.